Hello viewers, apni han saise NLTV Digital, moi Chenchan Kasar, apni han ge khobor ekta janai dibo. Manipur de Panchna district jinto hoile Imphal East, Imphal West, Bishnupur, Kakching aru Thoubal ase itu jaga khandi operation jaikina security forces kan pura 300 opor firearms aru alak hatiar khan durishi. Indian Army, Assam Rifle aru State Police kan pura khobor paikina kadam uthalaga ase kushi. Recover kuri lua hatiar khan tu hoile 151 SLR rifle, 65 INSAS rifles, 73 alak rifles, 5 carbine guns, 2 MP5 guns, 12 light machines gun, 6 AK series rifle, 2 amok rifles, 1 mortar, 6 pistol, 1 AR-15 aru 2 flare guns ase kushe. Etu ikla nahoy kina authorities kan para public kan ke illegal hatiar laga upor eku jankari pashi kule tai khan logot report kuri dibole janaishe. NLTV Digital News ka khobor di thakishi aru eniga news update pai thakibole sai thakibi Nagaland TV.
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.